Hey, you. I understand that you're trying to watch your television, and I'll let you get right back to that. I just need a minute of your time. I have a serious question to ask, and it'll make a lot of you parents feel uneasy. How does an aversion to masturbation in parents affect their children? More importantly, why is it extremely important that parents do not punish their children for engaging in such acts? Well, first, what defines punishment? In this case, we are referring to abuse of any type. Quoting the ICA organization, abuse is any behavior that is designed to control and subjugate another human being through the use of fear, humiliation, intimidation, guilt, coercion, manipulation, etc. Emotional abuse is any kind of abuse that is emotional rather than physical in nature. It can include anything from verbal abuse and constant criticism to more subtle tactics, such as repeated disapproval or even the refusal to ever be pleased. Current research states that parental threats of rejection predict fewer anomalous fears in adulthood. 4 types of childhood maltreatment indirectly predict adult paranormality. Also, converging evidence suggests that the sequelae of adverse childhood experiences including childhood abuse, like sexual, physical, emotional, verbal abuse, neglect, and other experiences like family dysfunction, parental loss, parental psychopathology, substance abuse, incarceration, and domestic violence have pronounced effects on suicidal behaviors like suicidal ideation, attempts, and death by suicide in older age. Now then, what does all that mean? Well, in reality masturbation is completely normal. For those of us who were brought up in a traditional way, it might seem confusing or outright repugnant. That discomfort comes from a lack of understanding. Before you make a decision that will harm your child, learn the facts at advocatesforyouth.org. You can gain knowledge about the nature of masturbation as well as many other developmental factors for your children. Learn about adolescent sexual health, LGBTQ issues, growth and development and much more. Only you can make the decision. Check out advocatesforyouth.org before you make the wrong one. Advocates for Youth. Rights. Respect. Responsibility.